Hello friends, this is Haritima Keswani and welcome to my channel Cook It with Haritima. In my channel Cook Fit, we will together bust the myth that healthy is never tasty. So let's get started. But before that, please subscribe my channel and follow and give us the feedback. Thank you. Today we will be making a very healthy snack, granola bars. Granola bars consist of rolled oats, nuts, seeds, honey and puffed rice. They are good source of fibers and protein and help curb cravings between meals. This is a no-bake recipe and very easy to make. Here, the ingredients are roasted and stirred in honey and dates and then refrigerated for some time. You can refrigerate the granola bars for 2 weeks or so in an airtight container. So friends, let's begin. First I will dry roast all the seeds. So here I have taken sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, melon seed, flax seed and sesame seeds. You can use any seed whatever you have with you. Similar to seeds, I will be dry roasting nuts. So for nuts, I have taken pistachio, almonds, walnuts, etc. And same way you can use all kind of nuts. Next, I will be taking rolled oats and dry roast it for 3 to 4 minutes. After that, I will be using puffed rice and again dry roast it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now take a mixing bowl and add rolled oats, puffed rice, nuts and seeds to it. Mix them well. After it is mixed properly, I will add dates. Now here I have taken 1 cup of dates which are grinded in the mixie. Next I will add half cup of honey to the mixture. Now mix the mixture properly. Clean your hands and then mix it with hands. So all the ingredients are combined properly. Once I have mixed this, I will add some dry berries to it. Now take a greased tin and add the mixture to the tin. With the help of a metal spoon, spread the mixture and press and flatten to set. Press it from all the corners. Now you can add some berries on the top. Now press these berries as well. Refrigerate this for 1 to 2 hours. After 2 hours, this will be set. Now I will cut the bars into rectangular shapes. Now I will place this in a serving dish. You can store them in refrigerator for 2 weeks in an airtight box. Happy snacking! Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notification. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.